for increasing the cost, then we can understand what kind of the profitability we are going to earn with our customers. As a global competition intensifies, companies are products producing an increasing variety of products and services. They are finding that different products and services places varying demand from their services. Student, one thing I'll just make you understand that previous time was that the companies were focusing on their profit maximization. But due to huge competition in the market, due to strong competition in the market, now every companies are started to focusing over the cost reduction of their products. So that's why activity-based costing is very important to the present time. Now it's very important. Now you can understand, you can see the example of China, you can see the example of India, you can see the example of Japan. Now these countries are continuously doing hard and work to doing research for what? To reduce their cost of products. Not that they do not want to maximize their profit through increasing the number of volume of sales. They want to maximize their profit due to the cost reduction only, student. Student, I hope all of you are getting my points. Is this? Students, all of you are getting my points?
Yes.
Well, yeah, okay, thank you. Uh, the third point I have written, the need to measure more accurately how different products and services use resources has led companies such as American Express, Boeing, General Motors, and ExxonMobil to refine their costing systems. One of the main ways to companies around the globe have refined their costing system through the activity-based costing. Student, as I told you just a few minutes ago, that companies are now focusing more and more on what are the different ways in which they can control their cost of their products. Because if they want to be a sustain into a market, if they want to be a which challenge their competitors, if they want to be a remain for a long time in the market, then must have to work on their costing systems. So activity-based costing is very important in the present time. I hope you understand it. Now, moving to the next slide. Student, I have already discussed those points, and again I'm going to discuss this. Activity-based costing assigns cost to the products by tracing expenses to activities. Each product is charged based on the extent to which it used an activity. So, for example, I'll just make it clear with the next slides how the activities are. Different activities. Different activities means, suppose a company is going to purchase for raw material to manufacture the textiles. Suppose when they purchase their cotton, one activity is when they bring to the cotton to the godown. Another activity, from the godown to when it is delivered to the manufacturing industry, and another activity. So all activities. The primary objective of ABC is to assign costs that reflect, mirror the physical dynamics of the business, provides ways of assigning the cost of an indirect support resources to the activities, business process, customer products. Student, ABC basically, I will explain this. Again, I'm explaining activity-based costing is assigning cost to each activity. It is kind of also mirror, which shows to the management that what are the different costs you are incurring on a different activities, how you can control these activities. Another, it recognizes that many organizational resources are required not for physical production of units of products, but to provide a broad area of support activity. It also recognizes that various resources are sometimes activity-based costing is not only focuses to the physical product, but also the to your if you are service provider, what are the services you are going to offer to the customers? What are the different activities are involved for their costing? That is also considered in the activity-based costing, not only the physical product but also the services product. The cost of product is the sum of the cost of all activities required to manufacture and deliver the products. Products do not consume cost directly. Money is spent on activities which are consumed by products and services. Basically, the cost of when we going to calculate the cost of product, traditionally what we were doing that we were just only came to know that what are the total cost of the product. We never focuses on what were the different activities performed. We neither try to know and neither we try to control over that. We just traditionally, but when we moved to this ABC costing in the year of 1980s, then we started to know that what are the different activities are performed, what are the costs we have incurred on the different activities. The sum total of all the activities will be known as the cost of the product. This is the ABC costing. So just to understand you, the a little image is represented to all of you that there's the resource, means whatever the raw material you are going to take. Okay, one is the resource driver, another is the cost object. A resource driver basically resource driver and cost objects is in represent that what are the activities that are performed. Generally, different kinds of activities are there, and activity drivers are there. That activity is also known as the activity drivers. So this will be clear from the next picture. Uh, Suppose there is the two functions of research and development and customer service. Student, you can see the image that in the research and development, three cost drivers are there. Number of research projects. Another is that personal hours on a project. How many hours you are going to expend on any kind of research and development. Technical complexities of a project. Suppose if you are going to calculate the cost of research and development, then we have to calculate the cost of the drivers, that number of research project, personal hours on a project, technical complexities of a project. Previously, in a traditional method, it was not divided into three parts. Only we just assumes the cost on a basis of assumption that this cost is going to this much amount. But now, if we consider the research and development, then we have to consider the three cost drivers: number of research project, personals or on a project, technical complexities of a project. Three cost drivers. In the same way, if the customer service is a kind of functions, the customer service is also involves various kind of cost drivers. What are the cost drivers? Number of service calls, what you have made, number of product services, and hours spent on servicing. If you are going to calculate the cost of a customer service in your organization, then you have to calculate three kind of the cost drivers. Means the cost of a three cost drivers: the number of service calls, number of product service, and hours spent on a service product. Student, I hope this image would you have understand very well. Student, student, I need your little response because I'm not watching your image. That is why need a little response from your side. Juliana?
Yes, yes, doctor.
Yeah, okay. I need a little response from Juliana so that I can understand you are still remain. Otherwise,
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, doctor. Yeah, doctor, doctor,
Okay.
I would like to remind you, can you turn on your camera, please?
Yeah, my camera is turned on. Just
Okay. No, your camera is off, doctor.
okay.
Okay, but it's okay, doctor. You can continue your presentation.
Okay. Did you see me? Okay. Okay, Juliana. Actually, I think some technical problem is there. Otherwise,
Okay.
the camera is on from my side.
Okay, no worries, Dr. Sandeep. It's okay. It's fine.
Okay. So this image was just to make you clear, student, that what are the functions that and what are the cost driver. Now, a little, I just want to brief about the history of the ABC costing, how this activity-based costing generally means in the world, and how the companies started to adopt it. The concept of ABCs were developed in the manufacturing sector of the United States during the 1970s and 1980s. During this time, the Consortium for Advanced Manufacturing International, now known as CAM, uh, provided a formative role for studying and formalizing the principles that have become more formally known as activity-based costing. ABC is developed due to many deficiencies of a traditional cost system, which lead to the discovery of ABC system, which are as under this. I'll continue. Student, as I've already discussed that the traditional system was not focusing over the different kind of the cost drivers, cost activities. So that's why the ABC cost system, activity-based cost system, has been started in the year of 1970s and in the year of 1980s. So the continued from the previous slide to this slide, the present costing system has developed convenient overhead recovery basis, and blanket overhead recovery are acceptable when valuing stocks for financial reporting, but they are inappropriate when used for a decision making and typical product strategy decisions, such as such decisions have implications over 3-5 years. Over this period, many fixed costs become variable. Student, I'll just tell you in the starting of this my presentation that what are the role of the management accounting to support in a management decision making. Whenever we were focusing on the traditional costing system, then management decisions have always get impacted over, and their decisions get always means not means getting true future cost basis, means they are not representing the true picture whenever they forecast.
Hello, Dr. Sandip. Hello, Dr. Sandip. Students, any of you can hear Dr. Sandip?
I cannot hear her.
Okay.
I cannot hear him, Miss.
Okay. Thank you, Maksise. Sebentar ya, saya akan chat Dr. Sandipnya. Hello, Dr. Sandip. Hello.
Ma'am, I think it's not connected to the voice in Zoom.
The voice setting.
Yes.
Yes. Hello, Dr. Sandip. Maybe you need to check the setting for your audio. Okay, hello, doctor. Hello, doctor. You can unmute your speaker.
You are
Okay.
actually I was speaking. Yeah,
Yes.
I was speaking with her, I think just 10 minutes. How it was unmuted? Oh, sorry, man. Sorry, how this was happened, I don't know.
Okay, Dr. Sandeep, we already can hear your voice. You
Okay.
can
Yeah.
restart again your presentation and share
Okay.
your screen.
Okay. What was the last slide I was discussing about?
Uh, Wait, I will check. That's about
After this image,
the evolution.
yeah,
Or
actually
yeah,
I was yeah, how this actually, sorry, ma'am, how this happened, I do not know actually.
no worries,
Uh,
doctor.
yeah, actually, this is internet problem. Sorry, actually,
Maybe
I was a student. Yeah.
yeah. Could you share your screen, please? We haven't seen your screen,
Okay.
doctor.
That's fine. Now,
Yeah, okay. We already seen your screen.
okay. Student, sorry for this interruption. Just because I was continuously speaking, I thought that you were listening me. So sorry for this one.
No
Uh,
worries, doctor.
so, yeah. After the functions of the functions and cost driver, student, I'll just brief you about how this activity-based costing has been started. Uh, the concept of activity-based costings were developed in the manufacturing sector of the United States during the 1970s and 1980s. During this time, the Consortium for Advanced Manufacturing International, now known as simply CM1, provided a formative role for studying the formalizing the principles that have become more formally known as activity-based costing. ABC is developed due to many deficiencies of a traditional cost system, which lead to the discovery of ABC system, which are as under. Student, I have already told you that this activity-based costing have been came into the study in the year of 1970s to 1980s. Formally, basically in the 1980s. 1970s it has been started, but when it has been adopted, it has been adopted in the year of 1980s. What was the problem with the traditional cost, that why it has been adopted? Because the present costing system has developed convenient overhead recovery basis, and blanket overhead recovery are acceptable when valuing stocks for financial reporting, but they are inappropriate when used for a decision making and typical product strategy decisions. Such decisions have implications over 3 5 years, and over this period, many fixed costs become variable. Student, as I already discussed in the starting of my presentation, that the what is the role of the management accounting? It's support to the management decision making activity. This was the big problem, that whenever the management accountant makes decisions on the basis of the traditional costing systems, their forecasting was never become true. Means they never means expected to calculate their future profits, future losses, future decisions. That's why they started to adopt the activity-based cost. Another point, it is easy to determine accurate cost of a products or a services when a company has only few products. When companies expand their product offerings, these products use different amount of resources such as supervisions, quality control. It is more difficult to determine accurate cost of products. This situation is main reasons why companies use activity-based cost. The student, it's very important to say that when the companies are adopting activity-based costings, generally those companies are adopting activity-based costing, those have a few products. But when their product range is getting more, they may also adopt it, but it becomes very difficult to maintain their costing system. Another point, traditional costing fails to capture cause and effect relationship if focused on a cost incurred. Student, one of the important things is that the traditional costing system was fails to capture the cause and effect relationship. Suppose, for example, if a company is manufacturing textiles, they know that the cost of their textile is 100 rupees, 100 rupees, and their raw material costing is a 70 rupees. And when it has been manufactured, it becomes 100 rupees. So 30 rupees, how it has been incurred, the traditional costing fails to explain it. They never focuses on the what are the different kind of cost drivers, what are the different kind of cost activities are there. Another is that traditional accounting was confined merely to furnish information at a product level. The new manufacturing technology demands feedback of a performance while production is still progress rather than the history. The traditional costing was only just means giving information the product level. It never focuses on the each activity which are performed. Therefore, in order to overcome the inequalities of a traditional method of overhead absorption, activity-based costing has been introduced. Student, I hope you understand my these 2 points, Juliana.
Yes, doctor.
Yeah. Anybody has a question?
Do you have any questions, students? Okay, maybe we can continue, and we're
Okay.
going
Okay.
to, yeah,
Okay. Thank you, Juliana.
we have
Okay.
Q&A session.
Okay. 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 Thank you, Juliana.
Yeah.
Okay, student. Now another slide my representing that what are the difference. I already explained all those points, but only in the points you will understand that what are the exactly difference is that in a traditional costing and activity based costing. Overheads are first related to the department of cost center production service cost. Another activity based costing overheads are first related to activities are grouped into the cost pool. Student, I hope you understand. Uh, Another is that only two types of activities, unit level activities, facility level activities are identified. But in activity-based costing, all level of activities in the manufacturing cost hierarchy, unit level, batch level, product level, and facility level are identified. Another point in the difference, this method relates overhead to cost centers, locations. It is not realistic of the behavior. Generally, the traditional cost is do not means focuses. I have already discussed not of each activities. It focuses on the what are the cost is there. While this method relates to the overheads to the casual factor drivers, thus it is more realistic the cost behavior. Actually, traditional method do not focus on what kind of the cost you are going to incur that. It is means can be controlled, either not can be controlled. While in the activity-based costing, we generally see that we are going to incur this cost, whether it can be controlled or not controlled, whether it is necessary or not necessary. But traditional costing not focuses over these points. That's why it was means very difficult for management accountant to maintain this kind of costing system. Another is that overhead rates can be used to ascertain the cost of products only. In the traditional costing, whatever the overheads, means whatever the expenses you made into different kind of the means, uh, processes, you just sum up all those totals. Okay, in the activity-based costing, and never focuses over the activities which are performed. In activity cost drivers, rates can be used to ascertain the cost of products and also the cost of other cost objects such as customer segments, distribution channels, etc. Now, we can summarize the main difference between the activity-based costing and traditional costing system following the pictures. Students, the traditional cost methods are that we can see the image student. In the image, one side image is the cost representing that product only, student directly product. And in activity-based costing, we from the cost to the first stage of activity, frame activities to second stage of activity, and then to product. I think this image will make clearly the concept of activity-based costing. Student, I hope you got it. Student, I hope you got it. I'm moving to add. I already shared with this Juliana.
Yes.
Yeah, I hope the student is getting. Now moving to the next slide.
Yeah.
Now, those things which I have already discussed, student, from the starting of my presentation, again I'm going to discuss so that your mind can absorb that what is the objectives of the activity-based cost? What is the purpose, main purpose, why it is ABC we are going to do the study, why it is very important for the student, why it is very important for accounting professionals. Is that these are the 6 points I have written. Okay. To improve the product costings, because I have already told you that whenever you understand the cost driver, whenever you understand the cost activities, then you can control it. When you can make control activities, then naturally your product will be improved. Next point, to identify non-value adding activities in the production process, which might be suitable focus for attention or elimination. Student, as I have discussed this, when you understand the different kind of activity, then you also differentiate those activities that which are necessary, not necessary. Okay, which is important, not important, which can add value, which can non-add value. When you differentiate these activities in this process, you can non-add anything. So this will improve your cost naturally, and you can control the any kind of activities to improve the product. Another point, to provide required information for decision making. Okay, it's very important that what is the role of the management accounting to support the management in decision making activity. So if you understand the activity based costing very well, then you can provide the sufficient information to the management for decision making activities. Another point is that to reduce the frivolous non-essential use of resources. In this process, activity based costing, you can control non-essential items, non-essential activities, so that your cost can be controlled. Next point, to encourage managers to evaluate efficiency of internally provided services. In this process, you can also encourage managers that how efficient you can become if they understand how their activity based costing is there. Another point, to calculate the full cost of products for financial reporting purpose and for determine cost based prices. Whenever we understand the activity based costing from each cost driver, each cost activities, then we can make our financial reporting in a better manner than that of the previous statistical method. Now, student, in the activity based costing, generally two kind of the word terminology is generally used. One is the cost object. Okay, what is the cost object? It is an item for which the cost measurement is required, for example product or a job customer. Another second point, a cost driver. Student, a cost driver is and activities which are leading to a cost driver. Activities which are leading to a cost driver. In ABC costing, the allocation basis that is used for applying cost to services or procedures are called cost drivers. It is a factor that causes a change in the cost of an activity. The example of the cost drivers are, student, again those things which I have already uh, represented you in the form of the picture, that research and development and customer service. Under the research and development, the three kind of cost drivers are: one is the number of research projects, another is personal hours on a project, another is technical complexities of a project. Means if we calculate the cost of a research and development, then we have to calculate the cost of a drivers. Three drivers are there: the number of research project, number of personnel are on a project, and technical complexities of a project. Another is the customer service. If you want to calculate the customer service cost in your organization, then you have to calculate the cost of three cost drivers: the number of service calls you make, number of product service, hours spent on a science product. So this was a brief theoretical concept about activity-based costing. I will also bring one numerical example for all of you, and I'll do to explain it. I hope you got it, the all theoretical concept of the activity-based costing. Juliana?
Yes, doctor.
Yeah, thank you. Now, moving to the numerical part, I have taken one question, student, you in a one question. This question is the budgeted overhead and cost driver values of NK Limited. It's an assumption based question I have taken for all of you so that you can understand it how this actually performed in an organization. If suppose you become an accountant, management accountant in an organization, then your job would be that to calculate the cost drivers and the cost of cost drivers. Okay, so that's why this question I have taken. So student, all of you are watching the one uh, column is there. Four column is there. In four column, in first column there is the cost pool. What are the different kind of costs are there? And budgeted overheads is written there. Their cost is written. Uh, Means material procurement, material handling, setups, maintenance, quality control, machinery, number of orders, number of movements, number of setups, maintenance hours, number of inspections, number of machine hours, and budgeted volume is also written. Budgeted volumes is also written. Student, what they are saying the question, student, the company has produced a batch of 260 component of AX17. Its material cost was rupees 13,000 and labor cost rupees 24,500. The uses of activities of SAT branches SAT are as follows. So different kind of orders are written, student. Now, student, you are watching the cost drivers. You are watching the material movement, setups, maintenance hours. Student, what the question said? That question said calculate the cost drivers rates that are used for tracing appropriate amount of overhead to the SAT batch. And another one is the ascertain the cost of batch of a component. Student, for the calculating the cost drivers, all of you have to do one thing. If you want to know the cost of each cost drivers, then here's the solution, student. Now you can understand. Same material procurement is written that. So we want to calculate each cost driver. 58,000 was material procurement and 110 total cost drivers that. The cost of each cost driver becomes 527. If you are watching the material procurement, you can watch that 58,000 was the total budgeted overheads of material procurement and 110 was the cost driver. If you want to calculate each cost driver, the cost of each cost driver becomes 527. In the same way, material handling was 25,000 and total cost driver was 68. When it has been divided from 68, 368 becomes one cost driver. In the same way, setups, maintenance, quality control, and machine has been calculated. Now, if you want to calculate each cost activity, each cost driver, then one cost sheet has been prepared. Direct material, direct labor, plus you can see, student, that 527 was the each cost driver. And how many orders are you have? You have a 26 orders. It has been multiplied by 26, then becomes 13,702. In the same way, material handling has been multiplied by 18 because 18 orders you have. Setups have been multiplied. Maintenance is also multiplied. Quality control is also multiplied. It becomes the batch cost of a product. Now, thank you, student. Now it's a time to question answer, student.
Okay, thank you
Yeah.
very much, Dr. Sandeep, for amazing presentation. Okay, student, do you have any questions regarding activity-based costing? You can directly ask to Dr. Sandeep, or you can type the questions in chat room. Okay, now we can see you, Dr. Sandeep. You already turned on your camera now.
Am I visible? Actually, I think some problem was that when I was representing, my camera becomes off. I think.
Oh, okay, doctor. Okay, no worries. Okay, students, do you have any questions? Okay, actually, I have a questions, Dr. Sandeep.
Yeah.
So from your presentation, I can conclude that ABC already promote new system in calculate costing rather than the traditional. So I can say that it can replace the traditional system to calculate costs. So because of any deficiency in traditional costing, I curious to know, based on your analysis, do ABC costing also have deficiency when we would like to apply it in our organization?
And very good question, Juliana. Very nice
Thank
question.
you.
Because I
Thank
wanted
you.
to answer. I think some students ask this question. Yeah, but I think the question has been raised by you. Okay, fine. Uh, Actually, in my presentation, I've also included one point that the ABC costing, what done, it generally calculate the each cost driver of each product. Suppose if a company has a multiple products, then suppose they are going to manufacture, for example, any kind of company, multinational company, if you understand, Hindustan Unilever, for example, they produce various kind of products. They produce soap, they produce oil, they produce various kind of products. When the company has a number of products in their manufacturing industry, then ABC costing becomes very difficult to calculate that. It is also a problem. So when they started to face this kind of problems, what they do, well, they also adopt sometimes traditional method. Traditional method has a problem, but sometimes when you have a very large number of products, then it becomes also difficult for you under the ABC. So those companies do not adopt, those have very large range of the products. It is adopted only by those small companies. They are struggling for finance. They are struggling. They want to be remain in the organization. So that's why in the starting I said they want to compete their other competitors. They want to be remain in the market only. So that's why the ABC is very good for those companies only.
Okay, so we need to analyze a lot of
Yeah.
activities, and maybe
That's
it also can stimulate a lot of costs to analyze those
yes,
activities.
yes,
Yeah, doctor. Okay,
yeah.
okay, doctor. Uh, next questions is, you already talked to us about products. I imagine, can we apply this ABC system in service company, doctor?
Yeah, absolutely, very good. This ABC costing do not only focuses on the physical products. Sometimes the companies are producing services. For example, take example of telecom industry. In a telecom industry, they provide services to the customers. But for providing these services to the customer, they required one kind of the network pillar. They also required the mobile SIM card. They also required customer centers also to support their customers. So these are the different kind of activities which are involved in their telecom services. Or in the same way, the banking activities, if in the banking activities they want to provide the services to the banking industry customers, they need to open a branches, they need to open they need to install computers, they need to appoint a customer care services center so that customer can be entertained. Because I have taken one example of a customer service functions. In a customer service function, now banking industry is also making call to bring their customers, and now customer handling is also become important cost. So the banking industry is also focusing on the different kind of activities whenever they are going to perform the any banking activities to the customer. So the service sector is also very important in the activity based costing that can be also considered here.
Okay, thank you, doctor. Doctor, sorry if I have to back to the first questions about the deficiency of ABC. You already explained to us about the deficiency. Is there any new tools in managerial accounting to solve the deficiencies in ABC?
Yes. Now, what companies are adopting that for means whenever they are facing the this kind of ABC activity based costing, that whenever the large number of product is there, now they are I said just when there are large number of products, they also sometimes adopt the traditional method because it becomes very difficult. Now, what they are doing that now their cost of accounting is also going to increase because they appoint various kind of the management accountants, various kind of management accountants to make responsible for each product. For example, I'll just take example one more example that I hope Hindustan Unilever is well known in your country. Hindustan Lever is in India, but in your country, maybe some other country. Manufacturer means FMCG company, maybe FMCG company. Suppose any company which have means various products. So what they do that ABC costing becomes means very much cost effective for those companies. Those have a large number of products. What they do that they appoint each management accountant responsible for each product and tries to control. They means started in this way and they tries to control it by reducing means try to control it by applying various the accounting softwares uh, so that they can control it. Also they can also reduce their cost of products also. Means they started to adopt the various kind of the software packages to reduce the cost drivers of each product. First, they appoint the management accountant, then slowly they move to the means software-based accounting so that they can make it controlled.
Okay, thank you, Dr. Sandip. Okay, hi student. I give you an opportunity to ask Dr. Sandip directly, or you can type the questions in chat room. Do you have any questions, students? Anyone? Okay.
Maybe
okay.
I can ask, ma'am.
Okay, Ali Hidayat. This is one of our students, please.
Okay. Dr. Sandip, ABC system in here seems to be appropriate for quantitative analysis, but is this method applicable for the qualitative analysis?
Quality?
So ABC system in here, it can be used appropriate for quantitative analysis, but are ABCC system applicable for the qualitative analysis?
Yeah, very good question, Alex. Okay, uh, fine. The purpose of activity-based costing is that you have absolutely said it's a quantitative information. You just got it. The quantitative information is generally used to make better quality of your product. Actually, the purpose is to make finally the quality of your product. Because I have already discussed it that when these ABC costing was not that, the traditional costing method was that, and the companies just to know that what are their cost of their product, and the international market is a full of competition. Is that you cannot increase the prices of your product, you cannot means make more sales for remain to sustain into a market. You have to control your cost. So this quantitative information of ABC costing improves you to make your cost reduction, and not only the cost reduction but also to maintain the quality also control to your product. For example, I'll take example of China and example of Japan. Both countries are very well aware about very well known in the world for manufacturing electronic products. Okay. Chinese companies basically well known how they can control their cost, and due to controlling their costs, they are producing means their electronic products means cheap in the sense of in the prices, not only the quality, cheap in their prices in comparison to Japan. Sometimes Japanese companies means producing their electronic products becomes costly due to they cannot control their sometimes their costs. That's why the reason that the ABC activity-based costing is a quantitative information which can be used for a qualitative purposes. And now I'll just take example of India also. India is also from last 5 years is continuously working very hard. Yeah, Indian companies are very hard to meet the competition of the international market, and for meeting the international market, they are continuously adopting. Sometimes some few companies are adopting ABC systems which are small, and some are in another way. But the purpose of this costing system is that only one thing, that how they can reduce their cost, how they can make improve their quality. So the purpose of the quantitative information is to the purpose of the quantitative information to use for a qualitative purpose. improve their product, improve their means costing system, so that they can remain in the market, they can compete in the market. I hope, Alif, I have answered your questions.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Doctor. Is there any questions, students? Do you have any questions? Okay, Doctor, about the application of ABC. Do you ever see any case that an organization was failed in ABC application, and why, if maybe it could be failed in applications?
Yeah, very good question, William. One company was that I just forget the name just in the US. I forgot the name of that company. I remember the name. Something, it was something different name. That company was basically working for the last many years, but when they were means working their costing systems, the traditional costing systems were adopted. That, and in the same year, ABC was also introduced, but they do not. I'll just means email you the case completely case. I'll just tell you the brief story. They did not improve their costing systems. They did not improve their costing system. Only the traditional method was that. And when ABC was adopted, even though they ignored this one, what happened? The cost of their products is getting increased day by day, and they were not able to control that. What was the problem with that products? And finally, what happens? Their sales get affected, and sales get affected, and sales was because it's a time of the market, and sales get affected, and finally, the companies was in a huge financial crisis, and they suffered a lot. I'll just send the name on of all details because this case was also associated with this, but I did not include in my presentation because I thought that it may be a long, so that's why high case I did not take. So whenever the companies do not include the whenever they are small in nature, I said that small in the nature, and they need also need to compete. That's why you have to maintain in the market. So you have to control your cost of product also. So they were failed to control their cost, and this was a huge financial crisis for the company, and they failed in the market. So that's why AB becomes popular from that year. It was started in the year of American companies. So it becomes popular day by day. What is the ABC costing, and now people started it to adopt it.
Okay, thank you, Doctor.
Yeah, I think yeah.
Okay, we have another questions from Ken in chat room. Is it harder for service firms to use ABC than the manufacturing firms?
Yeah, uh, this ABC costing is also means applied to the service companies because the cost drivers are also involved in the different kind of the services you perform in an organization. For example, I have taken the previous in my presentation that cost drivers of research and development, and one was the for customer care services. Customer care service, service sector, you provide the service calls to the customers. You provide backend support sometimes. With whatever the services you are provides to the customers, that also include various kind of cost. I will take an example of telecom and banking industry. Telecom and banking industry too popular because these two organizations are very well known for the providing the services. Maybe any other companies also maybe that whenever these two companies perform, they are going to represent their product into the markets. They have to also consider the various kind of the costs which are involved in their product, and they also performing their cost. One example I'll take just one more example. I'll just tell you that in insurance industry, student in insurance industry, uh, one insurance industry in India is working with the Bharti Televentures company, and AXA Life Insurance Company is an overseas company. AXA and Bharti working both, but one case was that in the starting when the Bharti AXA Life Insurance Company came into the existence in the year of 2000 means 9, 8, 10 approximately the year was that. What was that? They did not consider the cost of their services. Now they started very huge amount of price of their services. So what was that? They were not able to attract customer from their insurance services. So it becomes problem for them. Now, slowly and slowly, they understand what was the problem with this. Now they started to calculate what are the cost driver are that and tries to control. They started to minimize the branches of their cost. They minimize the branches and they started to provide services at low cost.
Hello, Dr.
Now,
Sandi.
slowly and slowly,
Hello, Dr. Sandi.
they are now in India. If I take example of my country, now the insurance services are getting provided from the insurance agent to the means customer centers only. Product is also calculated. ABC costing. Yes, Julian. Yeah.
Okay. Okay, thank you, doctor. Okay, students, do you still have any
Thank you,
questions?
Juliana.
Okay, maybe that's the last questions, doctor. So I would like to say thank you very much for answering those questions and for the great presentation. It was a pleasure to have you with us today. So this is the concludes of our guest lecture. Thank you for the insightful knowledge for
Thank
us.
you, Juliana.
And yeah, thank you for all students who attend this guest lecture. Stay safe and happy weekend. Bye-bye. Good morning.
Thank you, Juliana.
Thank you, Dr. Sandeep.
Yeah. Juliana, I also need the recording of this presentation. So if you can email me the last means, so I would be very happy.
Okay, okay, doctor. I will send you this recording.
Thank you, Juliana.
Yeah, thank you. Good morning, doctor. Sorry, before we close, before we are end this meeting, can we take a picture together? Can you turn on your
Yeah,
camera, students? Can you
my camera
please
is also on,
turn on?
Juliana.
Yes. Is there your students from India join in this guest lecture, doctor?
Actually, ma'am, it's a true morning here. That's why the students are not sleeping.
Oh, okay, okay.
True morning.
Okay, can you turn on your camera, students? And we're going to take picture together. Okay, our students is going to start their camera. Okay, I will count until 3 and I will start to take the picture. Wait, 1, 2, 3, smile. Okay, thank you. Thank you, Dr. Sandeep. That's
Thank
an
you, Juliana.
amazing lectures, and I hope we can meet you again in the next guest lecture.
Sure,
Or
sure, sure, Juliana.
yes,
My
or if
pleasure.
you or if you have any course in your university, maybe you can invite our students to join. If it is probable, you can invite us to join in your course in your university.
Yeah, naturally, Juliana.
Okay, okay. Thank you, Dr. Sandeep. Thank you, students. Stay safe and happy weekend. Good morning. See you.
Good morning.